Previous class we already created something like this. Okay, now inside this we are also having the camera animation. If I am going to keep my animation something like this, you are having something like this. Okay, now so step by step we are going to understand how to create this one, right? So what we need to do, we need to take the references. So what I am going to do, I will just going to show you some references. Just give me 1 minute. So guys, just watch this image. In this image you can see the character is jumping. So as you know about the rules of the animation, what are the animations rule? We are having natural, anticipation, then jump, mid-air, fall, contact, and recovery. Then we are having the natural movement. So these animation we are going to create it every individual frames. Okay, so let's say in the mid-air, like you don't have any idea how it will fall on the ground. Okay, so I will give you the shortest way how you are going to achieve this one. So very easily you can do it. Okay, now let's check this out. So for reference, I am saving this image on my D drive. Save it. Now I'm just going to open this image. Now in the first section, what it is showing? It is showing in the natural. So we are going to set our character in the natural pose. Okay, so what I will do, I will remove everything from here. I will just go from the starting. So just delete this one, and this one, right? So we are having this natural pose. I think everybody know about how to create your natural pose. You can do it, right? No? Should I tell you? Okay. So let's say, let me check where is my character is. I'm not saving it. I will just open my image. Let's check with this one, I guess. Okay, this is my T-pose character, right? Now, what I am going to do it here, I will turn on my grid and it is very small. So, okay, let it be. Now, I will just go to my channel box editor and from here I can change it to the man, boy, whatever the things you want. This is the first step. We already done with the many characters, right? Now we need to make, if you will notice, first of all we are having the natural position. So we need to create our character in the natural position. So first of all you need to select this point and just try to make it in the natural position like this. Okay, now press E, make it like this. Press W. Now it's look like this somewhere and press E, make it up. Now again I will select this one, make it down. So first I'm going to make it any pose for now. Press E, make it like this. Then the hand is coming something like this. So if you want to follow something, you can see, if you will search on the Google, you will see so many different type of poses. Like heroic is different, person to person it will depend. Okay, so that's how I'm just showing you. Just I'm going to take the references like how it is going over here. Now it is somewhere like this. Make it forward and it is bent a little bit, so I will try to adjust the weight. See, adjusting the weight is very important. That means it should look like some weight is happening, right? So that is very important. So I will make it little bit more bent, and from the shoulder part I will make this one little bit relaxed, somewhere like this and somewhere like this. That means the character is little bit relaxed. Now I will make it like this and this one as well. Now you can make it like this, and here you will see the hands are closed. So I will select this one and see in your finger section, where it gone, our finger section, this one I guess, yes. Now let's say if I'm going to make it 10, 10, then again 10, 10, 10, and then 10, then again of 10, 10, 10. See, if you will see to the little close, you can see we are having this pinky finger, we are having 10, 10, again 10. Now we need to work on thumb. So thumb we can make it somewhere like this. 5 we can take it 5. Then we can close it little bit more. 1. Just try with the 1, and then we are having thumb 3. We can make it 5. Something like this you can create it. Right? Now I will select this one and rotate it little bit more. Okay. Now leg should be little bit wide. I will select this one and this one little bit more wide. And again I will select this hand. Then index finger I am going to take it 10, 10, 10. Then if I will come here 10, 10, 10, then 10, 10, 10. Then pinky finger 10, 10, and again 10. Right? Now what was the duration of this one? That the thumb was 5, 1, 5. So I will select this one. Thumb I will take it 1, 5, 1. So your character is in the study mode. Okay, now try to adjust if you want. Okay, that image is only for the references. Okay, now from here the character is looking front, so I will make it front like this. Now character is preparing for the jump, right? Now I can make this character a little bit more bent from here, and from here it should be like this. Okay, now what I will do, I will select all my keyframes, right? On the first frame, I am going to take it as a 24 from here and then 24 from here. If there is a requirement, I will increase the frame rate, and it should be. In the coming figure, we need to improve our keyframes more. Okay, so whatever the pose we have, obviously we need to increase the frame rates. Okay, so for now I'm just taking as a 24. So I will select all of them. First frame I don't want to add anything, and in the last frame I don't want to add anything. Okay, so first and the last frames are full. Now only this much you need to do right now, then I will do to the next movement. What will be the next movement? First try to create this pose. This pose is called your ideal pose. Okay, then we will move to the next pose, how we are going to create the next pose. Okay. Now guys, everyone here. Now we are going to create our second pose. What is the second pose? We are having this pose, anticipation, right? So we need to create this pose, right? So how the pose are working? So we already done this one. Let's say on the sixth frame or 8th frame, I will always suggest you to go with the even numbers, right? So that will be easy. So just go to the 6th frame and try to give that pose. So the pose is something like this. So I will select this character and I will make it like this, and the leg is little bit like this. Press E, make it like this, make it like this, and don't forget to add the weight. See, weights are very important, so try to add the weight little bit. It should look like the weight is there. Okay, now our hand is back, so I will select this one. I will make my hand like this and turn it. It is in this position. Press W, make it like this. Now again we are having something like this. Go back, make it like this, and then after we are having the same position. So I will select this one and I will make it like this. Press W, make it up somewhere here. It's look very stretched, so don't make it too much stretch. And the character is little bit bent, so I need to bend our character. And the character is looking up, so I will select this character and I will try to make it somewhere like this. And I will try to make the distance between them. So I will select this leg and try to make the distance little bit, and this joint should be here little bit out. Okay, so make it like this. Okay, so we are having something like this pose, and try to make it little bit more adjust from here. Make it W and try to make it down little bit. And the hand is coming to the shoulder, so I will select it like this. It's totally fine from here. I will try to make it like this. This one. Now what I will do, I will select all of them and press S on my keyboard. So you are having something like this. Okay. Guys, just check this out. I have something like this pose. Okay. Clear? Now try to make this second pose. Then we will move little bit more forward. Another pose, we are having this one as a jump, right? So let's create the jump where the body is getting contact. Okay, so now what I will do, then I will just try to get it on the 10th frame. I'm going to start with the animation, right? Now I will take it to the jump. So let's check this out, how the body is going on. Okay, so first of all, what I will do, I will stand my character first. It should be like in the standing pose like this. Okay, then the hand is going up, so I will select this one, go here, make it up somewhere like this. Press E, press W, press E, make it like this, and body should be little bit stretched, because once you are going to jump, the body will be little bit stretched. Okay, so that's why I'm going to make it little bit stretched. Basically I don't want the thing is going like this only, so I will try to manage it from here. Now I will press W and try to manage little bit somewhere like this. Okay, now I will fix it from here little bit. Press E, make it back. Press W, make it inside little bit. Make it down. and this one will be little bit more open like this, and this will be more curved like this. Okay, so if you want to increase little bit more animation, you can, once the person is going to jump it, you can open your palm as well. It's totally up to you. Even if you want to play around with the heads, eyes blinking when it is going to be happen, it totally up to you. If you are going to refine your things, totally up to you. Okay, now again we are having this one. I will try to manage it little bit like this one. Make it forward, press E, select this one, make it up from here, and we will try to manage it little bit like this. I will select this one. This one looks good, and I will try to manage it over here. Press E, press W, press E, and again turn it from here. Now it's very closed, so I will select this one and make it outside little bit. Now I will select this one and I will try to manage it little bit like this. Okay, now I will make my character little bit more in the standing position like this, and the character is looking down, so I will select this character and I will make it down. Right, now I will try to bend my character somewhere like this. Now we need to work on this leg part, right? So what I will do, I will select this one. I will just go inside my channel box editor, and from here we are having foot roll option somewhere like this. So we are going to make it foot roll little bit to make it inside. If you will see, this is very straight, so I will select this one, make it straight, make it straight like this. Okay, now again I have this one, so foot roll, I will select this one and make it like this, and I will try to manage it like this. Now the body is little bit more curved, so I will select this one, I will make it like this, press W, try to manage it like this, somewhere here, and so this will be the first movement, and I will try to manage little bit more here. Now I will select this one and open this arm. Now select the face somewhere like this. Now in the correct position my character is. Now all the forces are applied over here in this part, so try to fix all the forces over here. Now I will try to add little bit more volume in it like this. Make it more bent, and the foots are little bit back. I will try to manage it like this, and this one as well, so make it like this. So this is the position of my next character pose. Okay, that's why I told you character pose are very important, right? Now I will select all of them and press S on your keyboard. Forget to add the keys. Okay, now just try to add the keys. Okay, I forget to add the keys, but if you are going to press S on your keyboard, you will get the keys and the character will come in accurate pose. Okay. In the meantime, again, I am going to create the pose. Okay, so moving forward, we are going to work on this one, the mid-air, right? As I told you, first of all, what we need to do, we need to create one arc, right? So what I will do, first of all, I am going to create this pose, then I will create one arc. So let's begin. Now, or we can do one thing. It is coming like this. Then after I can go to my 14 frame because this thing is happening very fast. So I will take it. Oh, it is not coming. So I will take it here. So guys, just watch it here. Okay, for a few seconds, just watch it here. What I will do, I will just go to my curve channel, curve surfaces. Okay, now from here, either in the left view or right view, where the character is basically the posing. Now what you can do, select this one, EP curve, right? And from here, 1, 2, and 3. You can create the arc. Okay, and this one till here. So from here, the character should be in the mid-air. Okay, now I can adjust it from here. So my character will go like this. He will fly here, then the character will land here. So that is just a small trick. If you want to use, you can. So even you can decide your height as well, how much height you want. So in my section, let's say I will decide the height is this much. Okay, once you are having this, now we need to follow this one. I will just go here. Now I will select this part, the whole rig. I will press W on my keyboard and I will select and keep it here. Or if you are not comfortable of doing this one, just go to your left view and make it like this till here. Okay, till here, because according to the image, what is happening, the leg is going something like this. So I will try to manage it a little bit here, and after all we can change it according to the scene, right? Now once I have this one, so I will press S on my keyboard. Now I will get it something like this. Okay, let's check this out. We are getting something like this. Now what we need to do, we need to create our poses. So how the pose will come? The pose is something like this. We need to create it. So I will select this one, press W first of all and make it up, not this one. This one we are going to make it like this. Select all of them and make it somewhere here. Press S. Now our pose is something like this. So try to make it from the left view so that you can understand how the posings are going on. Now the hip part, I will try to give some weight on it. Press W. Okay, press E and rotate it like this. Now leg will be open. So I will select this leg and I will make it like this. Press E, rotate this leg somewhere like this, and this one, this toe one, we need to make it 0. So the foot roll will be 0 for now, and this one as well. Don't forget to add S on your keyboard, otherwise the animation will not work. So again select this one, foot roll S 0, 0, then press S. S on your keyboard, right? Now again I will select this character and this one somewhere like this, press S. Okay, now we need to work on hands. So our hand will be, press W, move it forward little bit. The position of the hand is somewhere like this, and it is this hand section is somewhere like this, and rotate it like this. Try to manage your pose. Okay, now I will press S on my keyboard. Now again for this one the process will be same, so I will select this one, press E, press W, and adjust your hand little bit till here, and we can play around with somewhere like this. Press E once again, press W, select the ankle point. Now from here try to adjust it little bit like this, and again press E to rotate it little bit, and don't forget to press S on your keyboard. So you are having something like this. Now we need to bend our character. Select somewhere like this, press E, this one like this, press S once again on your keyboard. Oh, and we need to work on it little bit. And we can select this hand. This one we can adjust it like this. Press W, make it back a little bit. Head, oh wait, let me add the keyframes. Don't forget to add the keyframes. As I told you, the shortcut is S, and the face is watching just like this. Press S once again. Now this time for this leg part. So I will select this one, make it forward, and I will make it like this, and this should be up like this, and select this one like this, press S on your keyboard, don't forget again. Now this one, move it forward, and select your knee part somewhere like this. Now this one will be like this, and press E, rotate this one. What happened, guys? Why you are late?
There are so many people to look there.
Okay.
That's when it's in the bathroom.
Okay. Now see, this is going like this. This leg is going up, and this leg is going down. So we can make it like this. Press S. Now we need to add little bit more curve. And I will select this knee part and press here little bit. It will be open. Try to adjust it little bit. Now try to add the volume in it little bit like this. try to open it little bit like this and press S. Now I have this pose and I will try to manage it little bit more like this from here to here. Open it like this, open it like this. Now again we are having this toe part, we need to bend it little bit. So I will select this one, and in the foot roll we can make it like this somewhere, or somewhere like this we can make it. Not too much, a little amount. And I will press S on my keyboard once again. Now for this one is also same. So I will select this one. Not this one. Add it little bit like this. So you are having something like this movement. And even if you want to improve, you can simply do that. That's required a little bit more practice. If you are going to do little bit more practice, you will definitely get it. Now I will try to add this leg little bit more up, more wide. S, press S, select this one, S. Now press S on your keyboard. Now again we are having something like this. Press E, S once again. Now I will select all of them. I will make sure to keep it here on the line so that my jumping will follow this line. Press S. Okay, so we are having the pose something like this. See? Okay, so this is the second jumping sequence which we created over here. Now this is going back because we already set it on the first keyframe. That's why it is going back. So we will remove it. Okay, so try to make it, then we will move forward in a few seconds. So okay, we are still having two more poses. Still we are having two more poses. So we are going to make this two poses. Then it should be little fast. From here the jump will be very high and it should be little fast, right? So I am not going to take so many frames over here. The last frame which is end here on 14. So animation is look like this. Now from here we need to go little fast. So I will just try to make it 18 or 16. So it depends. So last frame I'm going to delete it for now. On this frame we are having this one. So again what I will do, I will just go to my left view. I will select it here, this part, and I will press S on my keyboard. So it's looked really fast. Okay, now we need to create our pose. So the pose is basically something like this. So press W, stretch your character, press E, press W, make it like this, adjust it little bit, select this one, make it like this, adjust your character like this, and this toe part, it is we are going to make it like this. Press S on your keyboard, select this one, press S on your keyboard, select this one, S on your keyboard, S on your keyboard, right? Now my character is somewhere like this pose, and I will press S. Now character will look like this. Press S. Now again what we have? We are having this arm which is going somewhere like this. And adjust your arm little bit. S. Now we are having this one, make it straight like this, and I can adjust my hand somewhere like this. And I will select this one, press W. Press S once again. S, right? Select this one, make it up. Press E, rotate this one. Press S. Now you can rotate it little bit like this. I made one mistake here, so I need to turn this one. Press S. Now character is looking up little bit, so I can make it somewhere like this. Press W, down it little bit. Very little bit you need to down it. Adjust it like this. Press S, press S. And both the legs will be follow each other. Here, here. Now this part we need to fix it. Press E, adjust it. So guys, that's how you can jump a character. See, if you want to try to create something like this, in the end you can create something like this and hide the controllers. And if you want to show the nerf curves, you can hide, and you are end up with something like this. So this will be the final and last pose. I didn't made it. If you want to create, you can. And I create one more camera as I showed you in the example. Okay, so how you are going to create the camera? Just create one path. Okay, like just go to your curve section and the process will be same. Just go to the top view. Let's say from here 1, 2 and 3. Now what I will do, I will try to add one camera over here. Just go to the create camera, go to the panels and search for the camera. So this is my character, right? And I need to place my camera somewhere like this. Now what I will do, I will select the panels and perspective. Okay, now just go to your outliner, window outliner, and from here just find the camera where it is located. So the camera is here. Now I will select this arc and make it big little bit. Now again select your camera, press W and keep it here. Now what you need to do, just go to the constraint, and inside this constraint you are having this motion path attached to the motion path. So once you are having this one, select both together first, camera and your arc. Now just go to the constraint. Inside this constraint you are having motion paths and attach with the motion path. Now you will get something like this. Just go to the panel and search with your camera. Now once you are going to play the animation, you will end up with something like this. Okay, so either it is totally up to you how you want to control your camera. See, it is coming like this and end it over here. Okay, now just add your plane and you will, that's how you are going to finish your animation. Okay, so these are the poses which you need to try and create, otherwise you will not understand how the things are going on. Okay, any question you want to ask? So right now we are having this jumping animation which I showed you over here. Okay, now in the upcoming classes we are going to check with another projects as well. So whatever the problem questions you have, you can ask me. Okay, so maybe possible by the next class I will give you this 1 to 2. Okay, that's it for today. You can save your files and if you want to go you can.